today is March the 9th. Just thought that this would be cool. Hi, hello, good morning. I've already said today's date in the video. That was our calendar. And before I forget, this weekend you turn your clocks ahead. Now we're going to do a fun little food review today. Instead of doing the sounds of the season, St. Patrick's Day, I just thought that this would be a lot more fun. And this is what I'm having for breakfast today. It is chocolatey. And even if this is sideways, I'm not going to reshoot it. Chocolatey whole grain cereal and marshmallows. It is chocolate Lucky Charms that I'm having today, and I'll show you what they look like, but I want to film the box, and I thought that this would be cool today. It says St. Patrick's Day recipe on back, but that's what the cereal looks like. Let's see what they're always after me, Lucky Charms. Well, these are the Lucky Charms. They have the regular Lucky Charms, the fruity Lucky Charms, which is really, really good. And then they have the limited edition green one, which I haven't heard of. And that one that turns the one green. But they also have a new one, which we have, and I may try it, I may not. It's Lucky Charms Frosted Flakes. It's basically what it is. It's just Frosted Flakes with the marshmallows from Lucky Charms, and I'm not really a Frosted Flakes fan, but I do like the chocolate Frosted Flakes. But I don't know if I'm gonna film that or not. Maybe if I need something, an idea, I may just try that. But here is the recipe for the chocolate Lucky Charms. But that is the recipe, and I'll leave that up for like a few more seconds here today. But that's kind of like what it would look like.
Boyfriend at the time, now husband.
It is 8:39 a.m.
Number 2 in public. We had gone to the Sleepy Bear Dunes, and we took the hike to the water. Once we made it to the beach, we had a romantic little picnic with sandwiches and sriracha chicken. Red flag. The whole hike back, I had the gurgles in my stomach to where I had to toozy right there in public with no other option. Aside from bursting into tears from embarrassment, my now husband, then boyfriend, was a saint. He found me a somewhat private spot, brought me leaves, and of course, proceeded to laugh at me the whole time. I knew it was love. That's great. Hey, respect. That would be a nightmare.
So much respect.
Oh, that's great.
You would not.
This is Connie
Yeah,
and
I
Fish
would. You came over to my
radio
house. We have a
with
little wood fire
Christine,
at our
Fish,
house.
and
She came over to my
Steve.
house yesterday.
I took Barrett and we went to the
Barrett
woods
the
together.
dog outside, and Christine was in the woods. And Barrett the dog was even like, "What the hell are you doing, lady?" I'm like, Christine, the toilet's in the house.
Barrett and I were bonding.
No, you weren't. He was looking at you like you were a crazy lady.
You were marking your territory.
Yeah, it was. Yeah, it's very awkward. He hasn't been outside since. It's been 18.
Connie and Fish Mix 95.7. Go to your Play Store, download the app. They're great. I also listen to WLAV and 98.7. But just wanted to throw in some fun today. But here's what the chocolate Lucky Charms look like. They're really, really good size. But yeah, you can see like the texture of the thing. And you know what? I'm gonna do a taste test for you guys. Here comes the airplane into the hangar. Ooh. Star date. Carrie Knopf's vlog. March 9th, Wednesday. These are the voyages of the spoon and the chocolate Lucky Charms entering their destinational flight of yumminess. Did I just say destinational flight to yumminess? OMG, where did that come from? Oh man, I was listening to Connie and Fish this morning, and they were doing the accident report. I go like, "Ooh, what's the accident report?" And I let out this huge, humongo toot. Oh my gosh! And it smelled. Oh my god! Oh yeah, I even changed the toilet paper roll. So definitely that was my good deed of the day. But I just hope you guys have a great day. The snow is melting a lot. Morning low was 30, and it's supposed to be a high of 63 for today. Well, as you can see a lot more of, oh yeah, I've already showed you Mr. Spoon today.
You don't.
No. So, hello there.
Hello.
What are you having for breakfast today?
I'm having cereal.
What type of cereal are you having today?
I guess it's called,
Sesame Street Cinnamon?
yeah, something like that.
So, how is it?
Oh, it's good. It's fabulous.
Yeah.
It's what you want each day. This about 5 minutes ago.
Oh, she did? Well, that is... You can barely see it, but yeah, it's been foggy this morning. It's supposed to be, like I said, a high of 63 today. But as you can see, if I lift up, you can see a lot of it from the bank here. Say bye.
Hello there again. What's everybody doing? I'm having fun.
Yeah, we're all having fun. Basically, this is all we got going on today. So, little zoom in, zoom out.
And move in.
Oh, for people that are new to my channel, that was my father. And not my husband, he's my father. So anyway, I'm just going to go on and have my breakfast and to listen to Harry Styles. Who would have thought? He is so great. I like Adore You and Watermelon Sugar and Golden is on right now. So I'm going to go and listen to some Harry Styles. And everybody, have a great day. Bye bye.
You log on to mix957gr.com. You can actually see quite a bit of information about Harry, but not Harry Styles, Prince Harry, Meghan Markle, the whole breakdown of that great special with Oprah from Sunday that just literally like the combined ratings of the Golden Globes and Emmys total. More people still watch that Oprah thing. So if you get a chance or you watched it, log on to mix957gr.com. It'll kind of break it down for you. So I want to talk a little bit about the ladies.
Ooh, I love this song.
So
I am Kara Knopf, your host, and I'll see everybody next time. Bye bye.